-5%. So in this case, I only have one horizontal asymptote, and that is fine. Okay, number 7. Remember, you can break up limits. So I could take the limit of this part plus the limit of this part. So when they are plus or minus, I can break them up. So I'm kind of thinking about this, the limit as x goes to infinity of this guy plus the limit as x goes to infinity of the 2. So let's look at this first part. This would be bigger on the bottom as I go to infinity, so it is 0, plus the limit as I go to infinity of a constant is just a constant, so my answer is 2. Let's see, we got 3 more. So let's look at this guy. So this is the limit as x goes to 0, and if I kind of plug that in, I know that I cannot divide by 0. That's undefined. But what's the limit as I go to 0, just of that inside part? So if you want to draw a sketch of this or whatnot, you can. And this is not infinity, this is now going to 0, so be careful. But if you draw a sketch, hopefully it looks something like this. So as I go to 0, do I get out the same thing? That's a D and E. So let's just pretend that this said 0 from the right. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to do this. So if I take 0 from the right, I know that now that is infinity. Well, gosh, still the cosine, as I go to infinity, it just oscillates. So again, this does not exist. So even if I tried to simplify this out, I'm seeing that I'm not getting something that exists here. But let's look at this next one. Now I'm going to infinity, and I have an oscillation, cosine just oscillates, over infinity. So I'm getting a number between -1 and 1 over infinity. So basically I'm just going to have some small number over a number that's growing, so this becomes 0. Now let's look at number 10. Let's just look at the inside again, how we were doing, the limit as x approaches infinity of just 1 over x. Well, now again, as I go to infinity, I'm going to sketch your little guy. As I go to infinity, this guy is 0. So what is the cosine of 0? 1. So that is our answer. Alright, kiddos, that finishes this unit, and I'll see you in class.